This is the detail shop. Anybody in this motherfucker speak English? Hey, you speak English, motherfucker?
Yeah, man.
How much English? Any English? Nothing.
Sit down. I sit down. Very good.
Yeah, very good. All right, let me try this motherfucker. What's up, motherfucker?
What's up, motherfucker?
You speak English?
Taliban, motherfucker.
What? You're finished. You know English. Hey, man, talk to me, man. Hey, come here, man. Little motherfucker. Huh? What? You are ugly.
What the fuck?
Motherfucker, ugly mouth. Oh, motherfucker. Oh, no English? Motherfucker. Immigration?
Huh?
Immigration?
Yeah, man.
It's okay, man. Try this one. What's up, man? You alright?
Hey, man, all good.
You okay?
I look at the man painted good.
He paint good? This motherfucker ain't no good, man. Look, all day. This is it. 2 lines. This is the 3rd line, man. What's up, Vic? You gonna have this shit finished today, man?
Well, have this part finished.
What about the rest of it?
I gotta make my money.
You gotta make your money.
Hell yeah.
So what, you gonna wait till next week to do the rest of it?
No, I'll be in tomorrow.
Oh, you gonna do it tomorrow?
I think so.
So today, this is what you done. These 2 lines and this half a line. 8 hours.
I've been here since 10, got back from Home Depot at 12.
Right. So let's see. That's about right. Bobby, what's wrong with him, Bobby? Huh?
Documentary on car wash?
Yeah, car wash, documentary, Bobby. Got something to say, Bobby?
Yeah, I love you all guys, man.
Oh, thank you, Bobby. Yeah. You okay? You finished?
Thanks.
Okay, that's it. Alright, homeboy Day Day said he do that shit too. Homeboy Nate, he's getting home. Got him a little transportation now. Doing big things, ain't you, Nate, dog? I can dig it. I know that's right. You ain't come back? That bucket.
Let me see it.
Oh, then you let this guy ride him.
Bro, क्या?
So, it ain't broke, you broke.
Oh no, this bro, what fix it?
It's fixed, you broke. Look at Rob.
Very happy man coming again in the car wash man. I missed out everybody man.
Yeah.
Nobody not call me man.
Nobody call you, man?
Yeah, when I working man every day man. I don't know what happened this guy man.
Yeah, it's terrible out here.
Called yesterday. Yeah, where this okay coming tomorrow.
Right.
Yeah, he said coming today, you know. Okay, the boss talked to me coming today.
Right.
Yeah, for the other guy man, he called for the one to answer the phone man.
God damn.
Yeah, man, he's a good guy, man. I don't know what happened to this guy, man. I work a long time over here, me, they put take care of me, you know.
Yeah.
Every when I work, you know, the boys say, yeah, come on. Come
Right,
on.
right.
I work a little bit out for something, you know.
Right.
Yeah, man.
That's what's up,
Yeah,
Sosa.
for the important, man, I want to see everybody happy, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One day, Sosa, everybody happy, man. What's up, Odie? Talk to me, man. What's up, man?
Good, y'all. Performing live in the car wash.
Right.
That's it.
That's
it, nigga.
Uh-oh.
You already know.
Can't say too much.
Day-Day.
Right.
Keep it real.
What's up, Nate, dog? Smiley! Talk to him, man. Say something, man.
Bro,
No problem, man. What's going on, Smile? Everything good? Yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice day, huh? Relax.
Yesterday, Independence Day.
Yeah.
My people, nighttime fire.
Right. Yeah, fireworks, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
J Rock, what's up, man?
Man.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm
drunk. Already?
No.
Almost. Yeah.
You know that.
We making noise, holla. Holla. We them boys. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey.
Great, man.
Yeah. Boys. Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. We them boys. Hold on. We them boys. Hold on. We making noise. Hold on. Hold on. We them boys.
Yeah.
Holla, we them boys. Holla, we making noise. Holla,
Again, like yesterday.
holla,
In that chair.
we them boys.
I know I was dreaming about something.
Pop a bottle.
Woke up in here. All right. Going for a little run. Run to Exxon. Yeah. Okay, here come the Exxon run. The Exxon run's coming. In 3, 2, 1, go!